Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet curry. Gather 4 eggs, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, curry powder, oil, salt, pepper, and fresh cilantro. Prep onions and tomatoes finely, whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet. Cook the omelet briefly, add curry sauce, simmer 2 minutes, garnish, and serve with rice or bread. Enjoy this quick, flavorful meal any weeknight or weekend. Start by heating oil and sautéing onions until soft and slightly caramelized to build flavor. Add chopped tomatoes and 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry powder, stirring until the mixture becomes saucy and aromatic. Splash in a little water, then simmer for about 2 minutes so the spices bloom and the sauce thickens. Adjust salt to taste and keep the curry warm while you make the omelet, so everything comes together perfectly on the plate. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and hands-free help to your cooking space, making it easier to follow recipes and set precise timers while you cook. It's a small upgrade that brightens the kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk eggs until just blended and slightly frothy to keep the omelet tender and light. Heat a non-stick skillet with 2 tablespoons of oil, pour the eggs in, and cook over medium heat, lifting edges as they set so uncooked egg flows underneath. Fold the omelet once the surface is mostly set, then either spoon warm curry sauce over the top or slide the omelet into the curry for a comforting, saucy finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.